Think about how you communicate in your personal life. Chances are, you text more than you email. Your clients are the same way. Texting is one of the most overlooked opportunities in small business marketing, and it's easier to get started than you might think. Why it matters. Not every client wants to be reached the same way. Some prefer email, some respond better to a quick text. Having multiple channels to communicate with clients means you're meeting people where they're most comfortable. And when it comes to texting, 95% of messages are read within 3 minutes, making it one of the fastest ways to reach clients, whether it's confirming an appointment, wishing someone a happy birthday, or just checking in. That kind of personal touch builds trust and keeps people coming back. Best practices for text marketing. Get a dedicated business number. Just like you wouldn't want clients calling your personal cell at all hours, you don't want to text from it either. Use a dedicated business number, ideally with a local area code, so clients recognize it and your personal time stays protected. A shared team number means anyone on your team can pick up the conversation if you're busy. Keep it personal, not promotional. Think about the texts you actually read and respond to versus the ones you ignore. The best business texts feel like they're coming from a real person. Use their first name, keep it to a sentence or two, and write how you'd actually talk to a client face-to-face. Tie texts to moments that matter. Birthdays, policy renewals, appointment follow-ups, seasonal check-ins. The most effective texts are timed around something relevant to that specific client. This is where automation helps. Set it up once, and the right message goes out at the right time without you having to remember every date. Make it easy to respond. Text should start a two-way conversation, not feel like a one-way broadcast. Ask a simple question, invite them to reply, or give a quick link to schedule. When a client texts back, your whole team should be able to see the thread and respond. Less is more. 1 to 2 texts a month is plenty. Think about how it feels when a business texts you too often. You tune it out or unsubscribe. The goal is to stay top of mind and strengthen the relationship, not overwhelm. Clients will appreciate a thoughtful personal text way more than frequent promotional ones. To recap, get a dedicated business number, keep it personal, time it around moments that matter, make it easy to respond, and don't overdo it. Text marketing is one of the simplest ways to stay connected with clients and turn relationships into referrals. Try sending one personal text to a client this week and see how they respond.